Tonight we're going to work on the fenders. So we got the fenders and the hood separated. They're over here on the stand. We're going to work on getting them painted. We worked on getting them bonded and primered. And now to get it done and painted. It's 12 o'clock at night, midnight, and we're beating and banging on metal, trying to get this front hood fixed up from all the wreck damage it had on it. It's taking a lot longer than expected, but we're getting there.
Trying
to. So while he's doing that, I'm working on final sand down, clean up, primer that one. Now let's clean up and primered. One light coat of sanding. There's some crap on that. I don't want it messing up the paint. So we're gonna get working on that. Knock down some of this junk on it. And hopefully we can roll fenders and get close to primering the hood, and then we can get to roll that later. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we can get that together. It's taken a long time. But the fenders, front fenders, they're about ready to go. Big progress. Adam, trusty psychic Adam.
What?
Primering the hood. So if you remember the brains, maybe I'll do a little flashback right here. Brains. As you can see, it looks like brains. This is what we got. This is what we're going to work with. So we're going to finish primering it and sand off a few little spots, and then we can get rolling on this. Alright guys, here is the paint. So I used just Valspar just to clear that up. Oil-based enamel. This is a tinable base. The color is a Valspar Blue Fiesta. There's the code if you really want it. There's the date when I mixed it last night before work closed. Here's the Valspar enamel hardener. So this stuff, one of these cans per gallon, so it's only a fourth of the can for the whole thing, but we're only going to use an eighth of the can right now, so I have to measure it out. I need to put this into the cup, put a little bit of hardener, mix it together, stir occasionally. It takes 30 minutes for this to activate as the instructions say. So that is literally what we've been painting the car with. A Valspar anti-rust armor paint, interior exterior oil base with the hardener. Well, I poured in the hardener, and that's what it does to it. I don't know what it's really doing. It's making crazy things happen. I'm gonna stir it together and just keep stirring it and get it all mixed in. Good. And then it says like stir occasionally. Give it 30 minutes to set up. Hope you like the color. My mom loves it. We did pick this color because her 68 was baby blue that she learned to drive on. Micro bubbles. Well, the paint said a little longer. 30 minutes to do it. Alright, there you have it for this episode of Wide Open Throttle. We got some paint rolled on today and more to come. So thanks for tuning in. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below, and hit that notification. Again, thanks for tuning into this channel. It's been awesome seeing all the growth and things happen with this build. Hopefully you're excited as I am. These parts are looking awesome and I can't wait to get them on the car. Kind of give it more a complete look with paint. So we still got the rear trunk to go and the rear fenders. They just need more love and work and Bondo. And so those will be another time. We still got the top coat on the top half of the car to do a second coat. And all these will get second coated as well after we sand them down and do some of the things you guys suggested in the last video's comments. So again, thanks for tuning into this episode. Till next time.